we have the towel folded with a little lip on it. You're gonna have the hands crossed and it's like a cape. You're gonna go back into neck retractions. And as you do that, you pull downward. Try to keep the chin down. Start off small. Let that release. Good. Pull back again, tucking that chin, and you shouldn't feel anything radiating down the arm. We're just gonna start small and let it release. Good. And one more neck retraction. Good. Now this time, lift your heart towards the ceiling and try to go into the extension, pulling the towel down. So this is a self-mobilization of your neck, trying to get that herniation to reduce as quickly as possible and then come back up into neutral. And when you go back, retract, pull down, extend the neck. Just look up at the ceiling with the heart. Try to get your heart up to the ceiling. That's it. Good. Let that release, come back up. Just hold it for 3 seconds and keep repeating this throughout the day, like 3 times a day. Stay strong, be well. Thank you for choosing Brill PT.